Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. I wish you were in my studio with me right now because it smells like rich, indulgent coffee. And that's because I'm here to show you my latest quarterly card kit supplies for the Button Farm Club. This kit will be releasing on March 28th, and we are using Stamperia coffee and chocolate. I am so excited about this kit. I'm always excited, but this, I mean, come on, just look at these papers. You're going to be getting this wonderful double-sided 12 by 12 paper pad in your kit with all these rich colors. I mean, this is just, I love this collection, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I have so many wonderful card making ideas, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So there are 12 double-sided pages in this collection. And there are also fussy cuts inside the back and the front cover. So that's really great. But in addition to that, we're going to be using the 12 by 12 background selections, which has an additional 10 double-sided sheets of beautiful patterned paper. If you don't love coffee, you probably love chocolate. And so these cards are going to be great. We're going to make masculine cards and feminine cards. We have shaker cards. We're going to make cards that move. We're going to make cards that are easy to mail. And we might even be able to squeeze in a little folio. So there's that. And then in addition, you're going to get the coffee and chocolate die cuts. There are 53 of these chipboard die cuts that come in the pouch, and they are magnificent. I can just see us making the most beautiful dimensional cards. Look at the spoon with all the coffee beans, the coffee cup. There's little sentiments in there. There's also chocolate for the chocolate lovers. It's just a really fun kit. So 53 pieces. Then in addition to that, I've got, let me see, 25, this is unbelievable, 25 sheets of 8.5 by 11 neutral colored cardstock. Look how great these papers go with this collection. So this is what we're going to use to make our folios and our cards. 25 sheets. That is so exciting to me. Then we have to make a shaker card. So we've got these great heavy metal sequins with these fun shapes. Again, the colors go great with the collection, and 2 5 by 7 window cards. And then just because we thought it would be fun, you're going to get some real coffee bean bag material in your kit. These little pieces are going to add such great texture and layers to our card making. So I'm super excited about that. Not only that, look at this. You're going to get a little scoop of real coffee beans. So your craft room will smell as good as mine does right now. So that's super fun. Then we have these darling, look at these. These are the cutest little charms. There's a croissant. There's a coffee cup, and there's an iced coffee. So cute. Some of my beans fell in my cap there. And then 3 really handsome wooden buttons that are just going to look great on masculine cards. This is a wonderful 2 yards of hemp jute twine, really sturdy and nice. It's going to look super good. 10 of these tan doilies, which kind of make everything feel like it's been coffee dyed. And then 2 sheets of my original design sentiments. Laura and I work on these together, and we format them and print them out. These will be in your kit. All you have to do is cut them out and use them in your cards. So very, very excited about this kit. Again, it releases on March the 28th. I will check with Laura and see if she's doing any kind of a pre-order with this. This is my card club kit. So if you're a member of the card club, you don't need to do anything. It will just automatically come to you. Card club member kits ship out first. So if you want to make sure that you get this particular card kit, go ahead and join the club. All the information is on Laura's website at Button Farm Club. And that way you're assured that you will get the kit and all these wonderful supplies. But if you're not a member of the club, you can still get the kit. Your order will just be filled after all the club member orders are filled. So I hope that answers your questions. I wanted you to get a little preview of what we're going to be working with. I just love this collection. I can't wait to dig in and make something beautiful. I'll be back to show you what we're making. So what are we making? Well, guys, this is one of the most fun kits I've ever put together. We're going to start things off nice and easy with these adorable shaker cards. This collection is so fun to work with, and the cards all just look so rich and gorgeous. I think you're really going to have fun. Lots of fun folds in this card kit. Like, how about these trifold shutter cards? How fun is that? And we're going to make 2 of them. These are so easy. And when you get finished, you just think, wow, I did that. Then we're also going to make an amazing little coffee themed folio. This is so fun. Wait till you see how this functions. This front cover pulls out, and you've got all kinds of little interactive elements built in to this little folio. It is the sweetest thing, and it's so fun to make. These are good to know how to do because they make terrific gifts, and plus they're just fun. So there's that part, and then this opens up. There's a little flip page with a pull-out element. And all these things are easy to do. You just have to follow the step-by-step instructions. And how great are these little sentiments that come with your kit? You're going to get 2 sheets of these they're already printed out. All you have to do is cut them out and use them to make your projects. Then we're going to learn how to make double gatefold cards with a belly band. These cards are so handsome. And one of the things I love about this kit is that the cards in here will work for men and for women alike, which is so nice because sometimes it's really hard to find cards for guys, but there's plenty of them in here that you'll be able to use for that. These 2 double gatefold cards actually even have room in them for you to add photos. And then these are maybe my favorite, these slider pop-up cards. How fun is this? There's a message on the top and on the bottom, and but they fold flat so they're easy to mail, which is something that I know is important to a lot of you. These make great birthday cards. They make great little desk decorations. They're so cute. Then we have a couple of just really simple little dimensional cards. Look at these cute little coffee charms, how great they look. And I'm going to show you how to make these little doily flowers. You'll learn that in the kit. And then we can't have a kit without easel cards. So I designed a couple of really special ones for this kit. These are so cute. Like, you could put these on at your coffee station in your kitchen, and it just really dresses it up. Each has a gift card pocket in it though, so that if you want to give them as gifts. So that's the kit this quarter. I think it's amazing. I had so much fun putting it together. I think you're going to have a blast putting it together too. This is my card kit. So if you're already signed up, you don't have to do anything. Your kit will automatically come to you. If you're not a member of the kit, you can sign up at Button Farm Club, and there are perks that come with being club members. I'm currently doing a free tutorial every month in the Button Farm Club member forum on Facebook, and it's only for people who are subscribed to Button Farm Club kits, not just my kits, but any of the kit clubs at Button Farm. So that's what we're making in March. Stamperia, coffee and chocolate, rich and sweet. So much fun. I hope you'll join me. You can order your kit at Button Farm Club. This is Kathy Clement for Button Farm Club, signing off. Go get your craft on. Bye.